Check this out. This is an all-you-can-eat grilled meat restaurant. So if you've ever had that style of food where you just get meat and then you just cook it yourself, that's what that is. I honestly don't remember the official name for it, but a lot of different cultures have this. But check this out. This is Jupdard buffet. There's a lot of people here. I think it can fit up to like 200 people. And yeah, just grilled meat, vegetables and stuff. You know, and so if you've ever eaten stuff like this, you'd be very familiar. This is very popular in Korea, but obviously here in Laos, Vietnam, China, they all have similar dishes to it, but there's like a lot of people here. So if you are in Vientiane, this is one place that you want to come and check out. I don't know if it's 24 hours, but they're open pretty late, and there's like a lot of seats. It's like, yeah, probably 200 people. Yep, it's awesome. Called Jupdard Buffet. It is a barbecue. It says barbecue up there, but yeah, it's buffet, which makes it even better. So we're gonna go ahead and go eat. We got our family coming in right here. We're getting a table, get a whole bunch of meat, get a whole bunch of vegetables, and just eat until we can't eat anymore. So check this out. Yeah. Well, here's some of the meats that we have. We got meats, shrimps. Yeah, they are hungry, ready to eat. Oh man, it's just absolutely incredible. So these are some of the meats, and remember, this is a buffet, so this is unlimited. You can eat as much as you want. Wow. So we're gonna dig in. Look at this, man. I cannot wait to eat. So this is also maybe a combination of a hot pot as well, because this is normally how you do a hot pot. So grilled meat, hot pot, awesome. It's gonna be absolutely crazy delicious. Got some sauces here, some peppers, garlic, got some lime. Oh man, I cannot wait to get into this food. It smells so delicious. Even before eating it, it smells delicious. Unfortunately, my camera's about to die, and so I'm gonna go ahead and just taste one first. It's probably not completely cooked. Well, that one isn't. So I'm gonna get one that is almost cooked. So this one right here, it's my first taste test. Wow. Delicious. So we're gonna enjoy the rest of this meal. And if you're in Vientiane, come out here.